In this video, I'm going to show you how to make stovetop popcorn. You will need a pot with a lid, you will also need 2 tablespoons of oil, half a cup popcorn kernels, and salt. First, add the oil to the pot. Then, turn the heat up to high. After that, you will pour the popcorn kernels into the pot, making sure they are in a flat layer. Put the lid on the pot and wait until you hear popping. When the popping starts, shake the pot to prevent the popcorn from sitting still and burning. Remove the popcorn from the heat when the popping slows down and almost comes to an end. Immediately pour the popcorn into a bowl where you will season them with salt or another topping of your choice. Enjoy your stovetop popcorn!